If you're looking for a smartwatch under $20, you've got to keep your expectations realistic, but there are still some decent options out there. Today, I'm reviewing 5 of the best smartwatches under $20, focusing on what you actually get, what's worth it, and which one you should avoid. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Tuber Smartwatch for Women. Alexa built-in, 1.95-inch fitness tracker with answer/make calls, IP68 waterproof/heart rate/sleep tracker/100 sport modes, fitness watch compatible Android iOS. If you've been browsing smartwatches on Amazon in the US, this is one of those models that keeps popping up, and it's best known for one thing: packing a ton of features into a budget-friendly everyday smartwatch. In the US market, watches like this are popular with people who want Apple Watch-style features without paying premium prices. And honestly, that's exactly what this delivers. It's not trying to compete with high-end brands, it's trying to give you the basics plus a few extras. Now let's talk about how Americans actually use this. This is the kind of smartwatch you wear all day. You wake up, check notifications, maybe ask Alexa about the weather, track your steps during the day, and then use it at the gym or on a walk. It fits into a typical US lifestyle: busy schedules, multitasking, and convenience. One of the biggest strengths here is Alexa built-in. That's something you don't always get at this level. You can set reminders, control smart home devices, or quickly check information without pulling out your phone. It's not as advanced as a full smart assistant on your phone, but it's useful. Another major plus is Bluetooth calling. You can answer and make calls directly from your wrist, which is surprisingly helpful when you're driving, cooking, or just don't want to grab your phone. Number 2. Tycoit Smartwatch, fitness tracker with heart rate monitor, blood oxygen, sleep tracker, 41mm touchscreen smartwatch for Android iOS, waterproof pedometer, watches step calories tracker for women/men. The Tycoit smartwatch is best known in the US for being a simple, no-frills fitness tracker that focuses more on health tracking than smart features. This is the kind of watch people buy when they don't care about Alexa, don't care about making calls, and just want something to track their activity throughout the day. In real-world US use, this fits into a very straightforward routine. You wear it to track steps, monitor your heart rate, check your sleep, and maybe keep an eye on your oxygen levels. It's commonly used by people who are trying to stay active, lose weight, or just be more aware of their health. One of its biggest strengths is simplicity. There's no learning curve. You put it on, connect it to your phone, and it starts tracking your activity. You also get heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking, and calorie tracking, which covers the basics most people in the US care about when it comes to fitness. Another advantage is that it's lightweight and comfortable, which makes it easier to wear all day and even while sleeping. But here's where it falls short. This is not really a smartwatch in the modern sense. There's no Alexa, no advanced smart features, and limited interaction with notifications. The display and design are also more basic. It gets the job done, but it doesn't feel premium or modern compared to more advanced options. And just like the Tuber, accuracy is decent but not professional grade. So who should buy this? If you're someone in the US who just wants a basic fitness tracker for steps, sleep, and general health monitoring, this is a good choice. Who should not buy this? If you want smart features like calls, voice assistants, or app integration, this is not the right device. Number 3. Smartwatch for men/women compatible with iPhone, Samsung Android phone, 1.69-inch full touchscreen, IP68 waterproof Bluetooth fitness tracker, heart rate/sleep monitor, Starlight. This type of smartwatch is one of the most common entry-level options you'll find in the US, and it's best known for one thing: giving you the absolute basics of fitness tracking and notifications without any extra complexity. In the American market, this sits right at the first smartwatch level. It's what a lot of people buy when they're curious about tracking their steps, sleep, and daily activity but don't want to deal with advanced features or a complicated setup. In real-world US use, this is very straightforward. You wear it throughout the day, track your steps while walking around the neighborhood, maybe use it during light workouts like jogging or going to the gym, and check notifications when your phone buzzes. It fits into a typical everyday lifestyle, nothing fancy, just functional. The biggest strength here is simplicity. The 1.69-inch touchscreen is easy to read, and the interface is usually very basic, which is actually a good thing for beginners. You don't need to learn anything complicated, it just works. You also get core health tracking features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and step counting. For most US users who are just trying to stay active or keep an eye on their daily movement, that's enough. Another advantage is lightweight comfort. This is the kind of watch you can wear all day without noticing it, even while sleeping. But here's the reality. This is not a true smartwatch in the modern sense. There's no calling, no voice assistant, and very limited interaction with notifications. You're mostly just viewing information, not interacting with it. Number 4. Ruoman smartwatches for women men, answer/make calls, compatible with iPhone/Android phones, 1.85-inch HD screen fitness tracker heart rate monitor 100+ sports tracker watch waterproof, purple. In the US market, the Ruoman smartwatch is best known for offering calling features and a larger display while still staying in the budget category. It's basically a step up from basic trackers. In real-world use, this is ideal for people who are constantly on the move. Think about someone working in a warehouse, at a retail job, or even just doing chores around the house. You can answer calls directly from your wrist without grabbing your phone. That's a big convenience factor in everyday American life. The 1.85-inch display is another strong point. It's noticeably larger, which makes it easier to read notifications, check stats, and navigate menus. You also get 100+ sport modes, which sounds like a lot, and for most users, it means you can track almost any type of workout you do. Fitness tracking includes heart rate and sleep monitoring, which covers the basics most people care about. But here's where you need to be realistic. Calling quality is decent, but not perfect. It works best in quiet environments, not ideal for noisy outdoor settings. And while it has more features than basic watches, it's still not on the level of premium smartwatches when it comes to smooth performance or app support. So who should buy this? If you're a US user who wants a budget smartwatch with calling capability and a bigger screen, this is a solid upgrade from entry-level models. Who should not buy this? If you want high-end performance, advanced apps, or super accurate fitness tracking, this isn't it. Bottom line. This is a buy if you want more features without spending big, but still understand it's a mid-range experience. Number 5. Lotimic Smartwatch, Alexa built-in, answer/make calls 44mm smartwatch women men, 1.83-inch sports watch IP68 waterproof, heart rate SpO2 sleep stress monitor, step counter watch for Android and iOS phone. In the US market, the Lotimic smartwatch is best known for combining Alexa, Bluetooth calling, and full health tracking in one device, making it one of the more feature-packed options in the budget smartwatch category. In real-world American use, this fits people who want convenience throughout the day. You can check notifications, answer calls, ask Alexa quick questions, track your workouts, and monitor your sleep all from your wrist. That all-in-one approach is the biggest selling point. The Alexa integration is especially useful for things like checking the weather, setting reminders, or controlling smart home devices. You also get calling features, which adds another layer of convenience, especially for busy days when your phone isn't always in your hand. On the fitness side, it includes heart rate, SpO2, sleep, and even stress tracking, which covers most of what everyday US users are looking for in a health-focused device. Battery life is typically better than premium watches, which is another advantage. But let's talk about the trade-offs. Just like other budget smartwatches, this is a jack-of-all-trades, master of none. It does a lot, but nothing at a premium level. Alexa works, but it's not as fast or smooth as using it on your phone or a smart speaker. So those are 5 of the best smartwatches under $20. If one of these fits what you're looking for, you'll find the links down below to check the latest prices. And if you're not sure which one to pick, drop your question in the comments, I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.